In this video, we're going to show you how to install the bumper trim on your Volvo XC90 located on the front bumper. Now to remove this piece here, we're going to go ahead and start with our plastic trim tool. And I like to insert it on the front leading edge here. Now when we do this here, there's going to be plastic tabs in certain points that lock this into the bumper. So we just basically need to get in here. Now using the plastic, it's handy not to scratch the bumper. I'm going to get in, I'm going to put my finger right behind the edge here. Kind of work the trim tool up and around the top. And as I work this around, I should be able to pop out those plastic pieces, the little trim tabs. And go ahead and release that. There's just the plastic tabs here that lock it into place. Now if you need to swap over the chrome strip here, I'm going to start by using a pocket flathead screwdriver and come around the back side and go right underneath the trim. And just apply a little bit of pressure on. I'm going to flip this over. I'm going to use my plastic trim tool. And while prying on the other side, I'm going to put in my plastic trim tool and just kind of spread these tabs here. We're just trying to release the locking tabs on the back of the chrome strip here. We're using our plastic trim tool to go in, and you just go in and you pry off the tabs here. On the other end here, you're going to have a couple more locking tabs. There's just locking tabs on the outer ends here that secure that on. There it is. Go ahead and take the chrome strip. It's only going to fit on one way. Simply line this up, press it in. You're going to feel it snap into place. You can hear it too. Chrome strip is installed. Now let's install it in the body. Now it's always best practice before installing a part into the bumper or the body, you want to go ahead and clean it. Make sure that all that dirt and debris is cleared out. Just makes for a better finished outcome when you're all done. Go ahead and grab that component, line it up, and all you have to do is press it in. You want to go and repeat this process for the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.